Hello everyone and welcome back to the show. Today on your daily startup, I want to talk about how you can grow into your own person, right? Growing into your own person, the idea that for you to, live a fulfilling life, you have to understand that you need to live your life at the level whereby you are maximizing your potentials. Hello friend, this is the voice of Ademola Morebi. Hello friend, you see the truth is that you need to understand how to grow into your full person, right? And this is something that it's weird that we have to talk about this thing. Normally we shouldn't be talking about this thing, but it's just that there's a trend out there whereby you see young people, they are not growing into what they can become, they are not growing into their own person. A lot of times you grow into a shadow of yourself simply because there are things happening here and there that stops you, that limits you, that inhibits you from becoming all you can become. So you have to understand the need for you to consciously grow, consciously seek out experiences that can grow your ability, grow your capacity, grow your ability to deliver results and things like that. Of course, it starts with taking responsibility for your own life. Take responsibility that nobody owes you anything. If you are going to become anything in your life, it's because you decided to become something. Not because somebody else gave you permission to live your life, not because somebody else gave you the resources you need to become all you want to become. It is your life first and foremost. So you first and foremost have to take responsibility for your own life, that in vain for the sunshine, whatever is going on in my life now, I'm taking responsibility for my life. And you make your decision and you stick by it. Not that you make a decision and when things go south, you're looking for who to blame, how to point fingers. If it's because of so person, because of my mom, my dad. No. If you start, if you're not ready to take the blame, right, then don't do certain things, isn't it? If you're going to take certain decisions in life, please understand that if things go south, you and you alone will also take the full responsibility. Not that you go back there and say, and I didn't want to do this thing, but you said, I didn't want to buy that car, but you said I should get the car. That's why I paid for the vehicle. Now the vehicle is having engine problems. It is all your fault. When you like to, push blames that way, you are not ready to grow. You are not ready for growth. Do you understand? Imagine you, taking a course in the university. Now you are done. You're having challenges, maybe getting a job or something, then you go back, start pointing fingers at your parents and say, hey, dad, I didn't want to do that job, I didn't want to take that course, but 4 years ago, you said I should take that course, that's why I took the course, now my life is a mess. You are not ready for growth, you're ready for serious things. You must understand that if you want to become your own person, if you want to become a full human being, right? It starts with taking responsibility for your actions. It starts with you understanding that maturity means when I take a decision, I stick by it. That even though people influence that decision, nevertheless, if it goes south, I'm going to take full responsibility for that decision. Because at the end of the day, I pulled the trigger, not they forced me to do something, right? Because so many young people out there, they complain that, elder people in their life, authority figures, are not giving them the allowance for them to make decisions and make their own mistakes, right? But honestly, you've not taken charge of your life. So nobody's going to give you allowance to make mistakes, right? You have to hijack it and say, I want to do this thing. If it goes south, I take full responsibility, for this. Of course, not every decision will go south, right? Some of them will turn out fine. But I realize that we don't usually blame others for our success, right? We tend to only blame people when things go south. So definitely I'm taking my decision. It's my decision. So if it goes fine, awesome. If it doesn't go fine, awesome. I'm not going to go out there and start pointing fingers. I want to realize something. A man becomes a man the day he decides to. Alright? Manhood is not a function of biology, right? It is a product of your decisions. So it's not about, now you're 35, you should be a man. No. You can meet an 18-year-old man and you can meet a 45-year-old boy. I'm telling you, okay? Because it's about the decisions, right? If the 18-year-old has made some decisions that this is what I want, this is what I want to achieve, these are the steps I'm taking, and they are taking responsibility for their life, whether male or female, taking full responsibility for their actions, getting ready, facing life with maturity, and they are getting things done. And the 45-year-old is there, still pointing fingers up and down, saying, Daddy, what do you think we should do now? What do you want to do? Nothing. Anything you tell me, I will do, sir. I mean? That's not how to grow into your potentials, because all you have at the beginning of your life is potentials that you can become this, you can become this, you can get this, you can get this done. But if you don't develop, right? If you don't develop yourself, your potentials will remain potentials, right? Because you need to cross certain lines in your life. You need to take certain decisions in your life, and don't stop the inevitable, okay? Life will never be perfect enough for you to take risks and take chances. If you want to take a risk, you want to take a chance, then go for it right away, my friend. You cannot keep on waiting and waiting and waiting and saying they're not giving you a chance, don't give you allowances. Are you ready to take a chance on your own life? Are you ready to take a bet on your own life? Are you ready to take a chance? Are you ready to give yourself the room to grow? You need to grow so that you can become all you can become. This is a very powerful idea that I think we don't talk about well enough. And I just hope I got the ball rolling right there. So you can think about it and reflect. Pause, look at your own life. Who are those people you are waiting for approval? Who are those people that must talk before you take actions? Who are those people you are always blaming for your own misfortune and troubles? Who are those people? You have to think about all these things and see how you can make amends in your own life. You understand? Your life, the quality of your life is going to be a product of your own decisions. And you must understand this and you must own it. Own it when things go south. Alright? You are the driver of your own life and you have to always understand that. Why don't you repeat after me this morning? Say, God daily loads me with benefits. I am bold and strong. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. My name is Ademola Nwebishe. Thank you so much for taking our time to check out this video. Remember, you can lead a formidable life. Have a great day.